Okay, so today I am going to show you how to reset the ECU on your Hyundai Tiburon, which I don't know if it's the same for 02 through 06 or 03 through 06 or whatever it is. But this is the V6 model, and this should apply to 07, 08. There's two ways that I've read. One is you unhook the negative terminal for I don't know, people say 15-20 minutes, if not overnight, and then just go take your car for a drive. The other way that I've seen that most people have considered more effective is there is an ECU 30 amp fuse here and an ECU 10 amp fuse here, and you leave them unplugged for 15-20 seconds and plug them back in. I can't tell you which one is more effective. Now, I have already done the battery method due to intake, and when I had to fix my transmission, which you guys haven't seen on this channel. I never recorded it, but it happened. It's a big ordeal. But mine's already reset, yada yada yada, but I just figured it would be something for you guys to learn. There's your fuse panel right here. It's located next to your battery. Pull this little tab. You pull up on this, and this whole thing comes off, and then it is a 30 amp and a 10 amp fuse. Right? You have to pull both of them from what I've been told. And if you take off your negative terminal, you have to reset things as your radio station and your clocks inside the car, because they stop reading. Now, do I think that's a big deal? No. But do I think the fuses are easier? Absolutely. So I would give those a try first if you're looking into doing things such as a cold air intake or anything like that. There's a whole bunch of other things. Anything that affects the car's breathing, like full exhaust, things like that, cat deletes. A lot of people recommend you reset the ECU. Can I confirm it does anything? I don't know, but a lot of people have claimed that it does make your car run smoother. And a lot of people have claimed actual horsepower gains from this. Now, like I said, cannot confirm it, have not tested it. This car has never seen a dyno. I would like it to this coming summer, and I will take you guys along with me. But it's just, I don't know if it's effective or not. I can't really try it right now and tell you if there's any difference. And I really don't feel like wasting the gas in my car, because 91 here in Nebraska is $4 a gallon. I'll repeat that again. $4 a gallon. That is so goddamn ridiculous. Also, if you hear any noises, there's a train over there that just lost a whole train cart. So I don't know. But I figured this would be something for you guys to learn, and this is going to be a short little snappy video, so I will see you guys in the next one. Have a nice rest of your day. Peace out.